Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at the pattern, still watching that huge upper level trough which is digging into the western sections of the country, this is what's going to push a cold front through the Arklatex here during the next 24 hours. The front kind of sagging very close to the Arklatex, but the brunt of the cooler air really won't begin to arrive until late tomorrow and especially tomorrow night and Thursday. You can see the front moving through during the day tomorrow. We will see a narrow window along and ahead of the front, mainly during the afternoon, where we might have a strong thunderstorm or two. But the main feature with this front will be the rain that we experience along and especially behind it, and also looking at a huge drop-off in temperatures and some windy conditions, which will be on the way for Halloween. Here's a look at what's on the way here as far as temperatures ahead of the front tonight. You can see most locations will be in the low 60s over the southeast half of the area, mid to upper 50s further west and north. That includes 58 degrees in Texarkana, 62 in Shreveport, and 62 also for the low in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow will range from 60 in Idabel to 80 in Natchitoches, 70 for the high in Shreveport, and 66 in between in Atlanta, 64 degrees for the high tomorrow in Texarkana. Here is a look at Robin's Futurecast, and as we go through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see a possibility for a few showers and thunderstorms, which will try to move in from the southwest. Basically looking at nothing severe with this activity, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. That activity will push on out, and as we go through the nighttime hours tonight, you can see the focus shifts back to the front, back to the north and west, where the front will be located by tomorrow morning. And then as that front moves in, you can see the increasing shot for showers and thunderstorms across the region as we go through your Wednesday afternoon. We'll continue to see showers and a few thunderstorms around the area for tomorrow night, but once the front moves through, that'll pretty much eliminate any risk of having any severe weather, and then we'll start to cool off. You can see the rain wrapping up tomorrow night across the Arklatex as it shifts towards the east. You can see the blue arrows there indicating the windy conditions which will take shape. Halloween will begin on a cloudy note in the morning, but we will see the return of some sunshine as we make our way through the day. And fortunately, the stronger winds will be in the morning. That wind will begin to die down. You can see the arrows got a little bit smaller there. That's an indication that Futurecast shows that the wind will begin to die down once we get closer to sunset. Looking at a clear sky, light wind for Thursday night, and that'll set the stage for some chilly conditions for Friday morning. Now, as far as severe weather, as the front moves in, again, a narrow window in the afternoon tomorrow where a storm or two possibly could reach severe limits with wind, the biggest concern from this activity, but that risk is looking rather low at this point. As we go through the next couple of days, as far as rainfall, again, tomorrow night, still looking as if most of the Arklatex could see that 1 to 2 inches of rain, with the heaviest rain still indicated by Futurecast, where 2 inches or more will be possible across the northeastern quarter of the region. Again, most of that will occur tomorrow and tomorrow night. As far as Halloween, it does look like we will be clear. Nothing to worry about as far as rain. It'll be clear, breezy, and cold. Temperatures by sunset will be dipping into the mid-40s. With perhaps wind chills trying to dip into the 30s. So very chilly for trick-or-treaters out there for Thursday evening. Again, temperatures dipping into the middle 40s. Beyond that, we are looking at relatively dry conditions for most of the week ahead, as we'll see a little disturbance try to give us a reinforcing shot of cooler air by the first of next week, and also may squeeze out a shower or two as we look ahead to Monday. But that rainfall chance is looking rather low at this point. So your forecast in the next 7 days in Shreveport, looking again tomorrow 70, and then the front moves through, only 52 for Halloween, 32 for the nighttime low Friday morning in Shreveport. Our first freeze, a very real possibility. 58 degrees for Friday, low 60s for the weekend as the sunshine continues. Again, mainly dry conditions Monday, Tuesday as well. Just a slight chance Monday. As you can see, daytime highs should return to 70 degrees by Tuesday. Overnight lows should warm back up into the 40s and 50s by the first part of next week. In Texarkana, U2 looking at some chilly air on the way. 50 for the high Halloween, 29 degrees for the low temperature Friday morning in Texarkana, and you can see temperatures there warming trend back up into the upper 60s by Tuesday. So all in all, big changes on the way. Cold front will produce rain, showers, and a few thunderstorms. Very low end risk for some severe weather. A couple of inches of rainfall possible in spots basically from now through Wednesday night, and then the theme and weather will be dry and cold for this time of year as we head towards the weekend.